Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to update your osCommerce v4 installation to the latest version using AppShop. Let's get started. Log into the admin area of your website and go to AppShop. Next, open the System Update tab. Here, you'll see your current osCommerce version along with information about the latest available update. To begin the update process, click Update Now. The system will start downloading and applying the update. As the update runs, scroll down the page to monitor its progress. During the update, the system may detect files that differ from the original osCommerce installation. If this happens, a list of modified files will be displayed. Review this list carefully before proceeding. If you have not made any custom modifications to your osCommerce files, it is recommended to leave the list unchanged. To continue with the update, scroll to the bottom of the page and click FORCE UPDATE EXCLUDE MARK. The update process will continue, and you'll see additional progress information highlighted with blue lines. Once the process is complete, scroll to the bottom of the page again. Verify that the system displays a confirmation message indicating that the update was completed successfully. That's it. Your osCommerce v4 installation has now been updated to the latest version, ensuring access to the newest features, improvements, and security updates. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.